Welcome to Health Forms for Camp South. Whether you're a camper, a CIT, an intern, a volunteer, or even an employee, you need to complete a health form. This short video will go over how to complete a health form in the online system. Let's get started. First, log in to ultracamp.com by putting your username, your password, and go ahead and click Login. I'm already in a test account. Over to the left, you're going to see some account information and some common tasks. On the right, you will see details. Your name might even be up here. Let's say that we want to complete and update the health form for Teen Girl Test. So go ahead and click here. Now we're in Teen Girl A Test account. Go ahead and scroll down. You're going to click on My Forms, and you'll see a health history form that was completed on April 9th of 2018. The beginning says youth if the person is under 18 years of age. If they are over 18 years old, it'll say an adult health history form. If you want to view the form, you can click on the glasses, but if you want to go in to change information, click here. Now all of the information that has been entered before will be saved, and you can adjust that information. So let's say Teen Girl A came to camp 2 years ago. So the last hospitalization is now changed to 4 years ago. There's still an allergy to peanuts and needs an EpiPen. But there's also an allergy to hay. And she experienced watery eyes. Now the next section, since the last time, Teen Girl A is now a vegetarian, so we're going to go ahead and check all of the meat items here to the left, and is no longer lactose intolerant. So we're going to go ahead and erase these comments. Let's scroll down. If the insurance information, we want to ensure that our insurance company and our policy and group number did not change. So go ahead and get your insurance card out and check all of this information. If you do not have insurance, go ahead and click No. Scroll down and you will see the healthcare providers. This first column is for the primary care physician's name or naturopath, their telephone number, and any specialist that the patient might see. In this particular allergy medicine doc and telephone number. The next section is about immunizations. So if your child has had all of their immunizations, go ahead and put your initials here. If for any reason they didn't get their immunizations, please state why. For example, they have an egg allergy and they're unable to get the medication that's in the immunizations due to their allergy. Enter the last tetanus shot or booster that you know about, and then we're on to medications. The first part talks about medications that the camper will have coming to camp. So this youth is bringing medication, an EpiPen, and no longer needs Lactaid, but is going to bring Claritin. So let's scroll down. The next part of the medication box talks about the medications that we have at camp. We only give these medications if your camper becomes ill or experiences an injury or there's an emergent situation. If you're okay having these medications given only because it's clinically needed, go ahead and click Yes. If there are any medications on this list that you do not want your camper to have, go ahead and click No, list the individual medication, and please tell us why. For example, this particular person can't have Robitussin because they had an adverse reaction. They were altered for more than 24 hours 3 years ago. If you know the weight of the person, go ahead and enter it here. If you don't, it's okay. We do have a scale and we will weigh the individual if we need to. The general health history form is very important. Please check all of the items that have ever been diagnosed for this individual. For example, this particular person had a seizure as an infant, but this particular person also added there's been none for 16 years. This information is very helpful. If any of these medical conditions cause the person to become unconscious or altered, please give us detailed information of what that looks like and what is normal when that person is at home with you. The next section is about mental and emotional health. You're going to check any of the boxes that apply, provide additional comments or information, and if you would like to fill out the inclusion assessment in a different document center, you can do that now. And then you're going to complete the last bit of information here. The last two boxes give you an opportunity to give us just a little bit more information about this particular person. This information is always maintained confidentially between the healthcare staff and then shared with counselors of a particular camper only when needed. Once you've completed, to make sure that everything is accurate, go ahead and click the button here to attest that your child was in good health and can participate in camp, and that everything here is correct, and go ahead and click to sign. You'll see your signature, click Sign Document, and hit Save. If you do not save it, the changes you made will be lost. When you go down, you'll click here and see that the form has been updated on April 9th, 2018. And that is how you enter and update a form into AlterCamp. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.